Welcome to SREE Mahalakshimi Industries, a trusted name in the manufacturing of precision-engineered industrial valve components. Established in 1997, we bring over 27 years of manufacturing excellence, serving industrial clients across India and international markets. Our product range includes body and drain plugs, shafts, seat rings, glands, studs, and custom machined valve components manufactured to exact specifications. With advanced CNC machining, strict quality control, and ISO-certified processes, we ensure consistent performance, durability, and reliability. SREE Mahalakshimi Industries, body ends and drain plugs are manufactured for strong sealing performance and reliable pressure containment in industrial valves. Shafts and balls are precision machined to ensure smooth rotation, accurate flow control, and consistent operating performance. Glands are designed to provide secure packing support and prevent leakage under continuous operation. Seat rings are engineered for tight shut-off, wear resistance, and long service life. Yoke bushes are produced for proper alignment, reduced friction, and stable valve actuation in demanding applications. Valve stems are precision machined to deliver smooth movement, accurate control, and reliable performance in industrial valves. Pin connectors are engineered for secure assembly, proper alignment, and efficient torque transmission during operation. Globe valve stems are manufactured for precise flow regulation, strength, and long service life under demanding conditions. Studs are produced to ensure strong fastening, structural integrity, and dependable performance in high-pressure and high-temperature applications. Knife gate stems are precision machined to ensure reliable linear operation. Gate valve stems are engineered for strength and consistent flow control. Piston rods are manufactured for high load capacity and dependable performance in demanding applications. Voice script, approximately equals 13 seconds, asterisk. Butterfly valve shafts are precision machined to deliver smooth rotation, accurate alignment, and dependable torque transmission for long-lasting industrial performance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.